Okay. Now it's a little bit later on in the day, probably 20 after 9. So I'm gonna get a video and pictorial. I gotta set the phone down for a second. Okay. Alright. I might climb down in this hole. So I get a record of what needs to happen right here underneath where the floor is not supported properly by the access hole. Okay, now here's the very underneath. Now, if you look right between the OSB up here and the plywood underneath, there's about a 3/4 of an inch gap between the plywood subfloor, which is pretty sturdy, and the OSB, which is crumbling from the foot traffic. Now, I brought a 2x4 with me to put underneath here, but as you can see, the 2x4, it won't do anything for the OSB that's doing the crumbling. So I got a piece of plywood out there in the car. I think it might be thick enough. If it isn't, I got a piece at home I can cut a little strip out of and put it in there. But that's what needs to happen, with or without the 2x4 brace to go underneath here. I'm gonna have to fit something in this gap right here between the top, the OSB, and the plywood subfloor. Okay. All right. So it's going to be a little bit more involved than what we thought originally. So now that I've got that documented, I'll just take a couple of still pictures and call it good. Okay.